Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechButt Solutions. I really hope that you guys can see me, but I'm on my way to Phoenix Airport to pick up our new friend, Zach. And Zach is a Learn Plan Profit member, and I'm really excited for you guys to meet him.
Do we have anything in there? No, you're all good. All that space, just all the space. Let's go, bro.
What up, dude? Hey, what's going on, guys? So I have Zach here, and I actually wanted to talk to him. I wanted to ask you like 3 questions about how you got started in the stock market. So the first question is, how did you come across my channel or who I am?
Well, I found Ricky on Instagram first. I like cars, I like fast cars, so I kind of got involved with him that way first. And then I kind of saw like how he was able to get the cars that he has, and he kind of made his money in the stock market and all that kind of stuff. So that's really what got me interested in it in the first place.
All right. So after you began to look into, day trading and all that it has to offer, what differentiated, like, why did you watch any of my videos first on YouTube before making the decision to join Learn Plan Profit?
Yeah, so I think what Ricky does differently than a lot of people is he's real. He shows his losses, he shows his profits. He'll go in and actually show you his positions, and if you're part of Learn Plan Profit, he'll actually trade live with you every morning, which is a great way to start your morning, start your trades off. And he kind of calls out stuff in the what's that called?
The trade ideas.
The trade ideas, yeah. He calls out the kind of stuff in the trade ideas that you're kind of seeing already, and it just kind of confirms that what you learned from him is you're doing it right. Because if you're thinking the same things he calls out, then you know you're doing it right.
I like that. So as you became more, you started as a complete beginner, right?
Yeah, totally.
You've been keeping me up to date with like your profits and stuff like that. What do you see yourself trade most often, and why?
I like DWT, UWT. I like trading stuff that I can kind of follow along with you, especially as I get started. I've been trading for only about like 6 months now. So getting started trading the same stocks that you're watching and you're talking about all the time really helps me be confident in the trades that I go into. But I also like /CL better because I don't like the big gap in price differences that NG has. So I focus on UWT and DWT more than anything.
And if you were to say, what's the number one thing that as you began to learn to trade, everyone talks about like the number one tip for success, but what is what you've learned from trading that you've seen and noticed that requires the most attention for improvement? So like the area that you lack in the most, because you've showed me like the days that you've been profitable, but as you've been learning, what has been your biggest struggle as you got started? I think that would be very important for someone that's just getting started.
Yeah, I think patience, really. Like, there's some days where I want to get in on something and get out on something, and I want to make it quick and I want to make it happen in the morning, but that's not always the best time. I was coming across times where maybe there would be 2 kind of indicators that would be true, but the third one wouldn't be true, and I would buy into it anyway, knowing that third one isn't true, and then I would get kind of screwed over on the stock. So I think patience, waiting for the perfect setup, is really what's been testing me lately, and just kind of not pulling the trigger too early.
I like that. That's actually what happened with me today. I was watching crude oil. Crude oil became super overbought today, and every single day this week it became overbought and has always pulled back. But today was one of the first days this week that it never actually pulled back. So patience was definitely a virtue today. Today I didn't do extremely well. I did a little bit over $100 profit, which isn't very impressive, but it's not red, so at least we have that.
That's right.
Tomorrow is going to be the last trading day for the week, and then we get to enjoy the weekend with the boy Zach.
Yeah.
This is your second or third time visiting, right?
Second time out here in Arizona, but Ricky's been to Vegas a few times now.
Oh, way to throw me into the mud.
So we go back and forth.
Definitely, yeah. So this is our fourth time meeting up, dating back to maybe like 2 months ago, right? So we met pretty recently.
Yeah.
That's really cool. So I like that. If you guys don't follow Zach already, I'm gonna put his Instagram with the first link down below. I almost crashed. Yeah. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. I just wanted to make it a little bit different. It's been super cool to not only have Zach as part of our group, but to connect with people that are like-minded and that we like share similar interests, not just when it comes down to like the markets that we partake in, because day trading is not the only thing that you do, right?
No.
So what is your main focus right now?
So I run a digital marketing agency, so anything that a customer sees from companies, basically that are my clients, I have a hand in, whether it's the website, social media, ads, anything like that. I've worked with brands like Red Bull, White Claw, and a bunch of other bigger brands, but yeah, just grinding away on that.
I like that. So again, if you guys want to follow him, go ahead and click that first link down below. If you guys want to join the Learn Plan Profit team to get started, that's going to be the second link down below. And for the first 10 people, it's going to be $40 off the Learn Plan Profit course. And if you want to know what's included in Learn Plan Profit, then again, make sure you click that second link and watch that video so we explain exactly what's included. I appreciate your guys' time. Hope that we earned your thumbs up. I hope and wish you guys end the week on a green note. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.